Here we have a 2008 Rheem heat pump at Grissom High School. And it appears that it's received a little bit more damage since I last videoed it. As right here, this has been dented. Let's see if you, yeah, you can see right here how it's been dented. That's not good, that's not too good, but this unit's received a lot of abuse since it was installed. The model number is 13PJL42A01. Serial number is 7691N2608096115. This unit's been dinged a lot in the past before. For example, right down here, it's got a good bit of damage. Although it looks like they may have straightened the unit since I last saw it, and there's a nice big dent right here. And a few miscellaneous dents along here. But it looks like it's been straightened a little bit since I last saw it. But nothing really too much new on this unit, except for this nice dent on the fan grill. It lets me stick my finger down there. But I'm not going to stick it down too far because I don't want to get chopped off by that fan. Might want to get this removed, hammer that back out, hammer that out, and get it put back in. But yeah, nothing too much, just a 2008 Rheem heat pump running at Grissom High School. Over and out.